Welcome back. Twitter India officials deposed before parliamentary panel last evening over the issue of misuse of social media. Agency reports say that during the deposition before the panel chaired by Shashi Tharoor, Twitter was asked if it followed the law of the land. Twitter responded saying that they follow their own policies. The panel strongly objected and categorically told them that the law of the land is supreme and not their policy. The meeting comes at a time when Twitter is already locked in a battle with the centre over compliance with new IT rules. Just a few days ago, Twitter even lost its legal immunity. All right, so that's the latest as far as Twitter's deposition before parliamentary panel is concerned. Let's tell you what kind of exchange happened between the parliamentary panel and Twitter. The parliamentary panel asked, why shouldn't you be fined for violating law of the land? Parliamentary panel also asked Twitter, have you followed the law of the land? Twitter said, we follow our own policies. Then the parliamentary panel said, the rule of land is supreme and not your policy. For more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Ayushman on the broadcast. Good morning, Ayushman. That exchange between the parliamentary panel and Twitter goes on to show the kind of situation the social media giant is in India as far as its compliance with the IT rules is concerned, or the alleged misuse of social media. And this exchange goes on to show that the government and the parliamentary panel are very stern about their policies and the rule of the land.
Yes, in fact, yesterday the Parliamentary Panel for Information and Technology had summoned Twitter officials, in which two Twitter officials came, and a clarity was needed in this regard as to how they follow, because there are several they don't apply in India. In that, when they said that which policy, the Parliamentary Panel asked as to which policy were they following, the Twitter officials clearly said that they had their own set of policies which they were following, which didn't go down well with parliamentary panel, and they made it sure, without mincing the words, that there is a law of the land that has to be followed when you are there in India, as no entities above that. We have seen the recent exchanges between Twitter and government has not been very good, and that was perhaps one reason why the parliamentary panel made it clear that if Twitter has to operate in India, it will the need of the hour is to abide by the laws that is there in India. We already know that the government has made it sure, telling Twitter that the legal shield which they get under the Section 79 of Information Technology Act, because of not following the norms, that shield has been taken away, and that's as a result of that, the FIRs are now Twitter is also a party in the FIR that is filed against them. So the IT panel made it clear and told them that if you are to do a business in India, the norms are that you will follow the law of the land. The own policy that Twitter has won't work in India.
All right, thank you, Ayushman, for getting us those updates and bringing us up to speed with the latest as far as Twitter is concerned.